Hello, Sparkle Squad. Welcome back to Sparkle Naturally. I know it's been a minute, y'all, so don't come for me. But anyway, I'm here now. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Etta, and I am so super excited to kick off the new year with a burst of positive energy, y'all. As I step into the new chapter in my life, I wanted to share my personal goals for the new year for 2024 and how we can all add a little extra sparkle into our lives, especially for those of us embracing the fabulous 60s like myself. So this spring, y'all, I will be the big 60, y'all. And that doesn't have to mean death, right? So I've come to terms of endearment that I would not be sad about it, but rather just be really excited and really just set some goals where I could just really live my best life. But first, let me share a little antidote. As I was reflecting on this past year, I realized that age is just a number. And each day is an opportunity to sparkle just a little bit brighter. So why not set some goals that truly resonate with our passions and aspirations? Did you set any New Year's goals this year? If so, put in the comments below on what some of your goals are. Now let's jump into my goals for 2024. Drum roll, please. Goal number 1, beauty and self-care. This year, I'm making a conscious effort to embrace my natural beauty and focus on a skincare routine that nourishes both my skin and my soul. After all, there's nothing more beautiful than confidence shining from within. To align with this goal, I've crafted a simple DIY facial mist using natural ingredients that promote a healthy skin. Trust me, your skin will thank you for this little act of self-love. Goal number 2, faith and motivation. Strengthening my spiritual connection and staying motivated are crucial for a positive mindset. This year, I'm diving into daily affirmations and moments of gratitude, grounding myself in faith to overcome any challenge that comes my way. Remember, age is just a number, and every day is an opportunity to chase our dreams. Surround yourself with positivity, set realistic goals, and celebrate small victories along the way. The journey is just as important as the destination. Goal number 3, one of my favorites, travel and lifestyle. Exploring new places and embracing different cultures have always been close to my heart. This year, I'm setting aside time to plan exciting travel adventures and bring you along on the journey. Get ready for some virtual travel experiences that will ignite your wanderlust. And here we come to a special goal, gardening. There's something magical about watching a garden bloom. I'm setting up a cozy garden space, and I invite you to join me in cultivating a little piece of paradise right at home. Well, guys, that's a glimpse into my goals for the year, but I'd love to hear yours too. So share your aspirations in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to sparkle brighter in 2024. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Remember, age is just a number and the best is yet to come. Stay positive, stay motivated, and always sparkle naturally in everything you do. Until next time, sending you all the positive vibes and sparkle. Bye for now.